Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios, and today we're looking at this fantastic silver Nicewell kitchen scale. It is good for up to 22 pounds. It's 9 inches by over 6 inches wide, so you can really put a lot of stuff on it. Beautiful silver, and it has a ton of different units. So let's go ahead, take a look, and check it out right about now. First off, it's a beautiful design, and it sits right in my kitchen without issues. The on and off, easy on, easy off as it calibrates itself. You see it's set to 0, 0. And then, let's go ahead and show you. It's incredibly accurate, which I find amazing. Sometimes you get a kitchen scale and the cheaper ones really aren't that accurate, but you can get the exact weight and information here. Now I'm going to set it to grams, and it's 352 grams. Kilograms, 0.352. In pounds/ounces, it's 12.4. Fluid ounces, if that was what you're looking for, and ml as well. So really a fantastic scale. The cover itself is hard to scratch up, which is going to be nice. You're going to want a resistant to scratch cover. Batteries on the back, just 2 batteries on the back, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. And if you have any problems, you can just email them at nicewellservice@outlook.com. The grippers on the back make it easy and sturdy. And again, what I do like about this is the incredible unit accuracy, which not all scales are going to have. And cleanup is a GIF with this beautiful surface. It's easy to wipe down with no problems. Absolutely beautiful. The TARE function's also nice. It allows you to recalibrate to omit the weight of a container. There you go. So you can see how much content you have inside. Now, if you're anything like me, your kitchen is a very important part of your home. It's a showplace, and you don't want just some ugly plastic scale sitting there and people looking at it going, oh, that doesn't look so good. One of the nice things about this, stylish design, right? This is an absolutely gorgeous product. Look at that. The brushed aluminum practically acts as a mirror. It is nice, and like I said, it's super accurate. Plus the weight is just over a pound, so it's super lightweight, super accurate, and it's just a nice looking scale. So I'm going to go ahead and put an Amazon link in the description below. You're going to want to pick one up. Don't wait. Click that link today. It's absolutely amazing. And yeah, I think you're going to dig it. It's easy to use. It's straightforward. It's sleek. It's stylish. It's sophisticated. Pick one up today. Thanks again for watching. I'm Adam from 911 Studios. Subscribe. You won't be disappointed. Adios, amigos.